as I said, I'm going to start giveaways. There will be 3 lucky winners. At the end of the video, there will be a small question. So enjoy the video until the end. Hello!
Stop. Hello boys and girls. Welcome to Jam with Kicha.
Strictly for kids. So today I'm joined with my friend Nauri, coming from all the way from Thrissur for the summer vacations. So today I have a gift for you.
What will it be? Have to see.
It's Fleximos Play-Dotz.
Fleximos Play-Dotz. I always wanted it.
Whoa! It will never dry. It doesn't have any stains. It has no mess. It's easy to clean up. It's like good Play-Doh.
I like it. My friend is going to be really jealous.
Yeah. So are you ready to unbox it?
Yes. There's already a hole right here. So
Yeah, there is. Let's show the colors.
Okay.
So here it has white, yellow, orange, blue, green, pink. So let's unbox it. I'm allowing you to unbox it. So let's see the company. The company is Imagimake.
Okay, I'm ready.
Imagimake is the company.
And
I love Imagimake's toys. They make awesome
Which one
toys.
should I take first?
I think you will take orange.
Yeah, maybe.
I'll help you.
Maybe we should. Oh, take it. Okay, I'm ready to feel it. I'm very
I'll help
excited
you for it.
to open it.
Whoa.
Oh, there's ball popping out.
Okay, so you
Oh,
can take.
very soft.
It's slimy.
Even I saw it in a video.
Okay, you take some.
Okay, I'll just take some. It's very sticky actually.
Like sticky
glue.
balls.
I think it's like glue.
No, it's like sticky balls. So cool.
It's becoming lighter. Actually, it's dark. And when we hold it in our hands, it will be lighter.
Now let's make something.
Okay. It's like upside down and this is kept.
Yeah. So it shows instructions on how to make different things.
I'm gonna make a star. It's gonna be yellow, so I'm gonna take yellow.
I'm gonna take orange because I'm gonna make a burger. So I want this is really light.
Well,
That's how light it is.
when we just touch it, it feels like slime actually, but
Yeah, right.
it's actually and it stretches like slime. Like I saw it in a video, they made lot like ball slime and all.
Yeah, they make lots of slime.
It's very
So it's
hot.
pink and green. Yeah, pink and green. So you have the 2 buns here. Now let's take the green and
Okay, so we could take it easily. Let me pop them out. It's a very nice gift what you gave me.
yeah.
Let's just
Thank you.
Oh, see this. There's a one blue ball on it. It's very easy to take it out because it's just that's a lettuce, right?
That's it.
Could I have it? Yeah, that's enough, but I need more.
So you need to make a ball and squeeze it to make a patty.
The before video.
And the last piece of the burger.
I will do it at home.
Yep, and I mixed it up. Awesome. So now this will become from a burger to a liquid burger.
Could I give me? I'll just touch it. It feels so soft actually.
Yeah, I want some. So I wished I had this. Oh my god, I want this so badly.
But
So,
I'm just gonna keep.
Thank you for watching Jam with Kicha. This is the Fleximos
Yes.
Play-Doh. This is the Imagimake Fleximos Play-Dotz. And they're really satisfying and their sound is so good.
Yeah.
I love it personally and I know you will love it too.
Yeah.
So Nauri, how do you like this?
I like it so much, and the big one actually is so nice. When you mix up, it's a nice color actually.
Yes, it is.
And it's very hard, like when you.
I want to make you hear the sound. 1 minute. Everyone be quiet.
Okay, that's enough.
That's really satisfying.
Maybe I will.
So this is Fleximos Play-Dotz by Imagimake. Bye boys and girls.
This.
Bye boys and girls. See you next time on Jam with Kilcha. Bye. The question is, what colors were in the burger that I made with the Fleximos? If you have the answer, go to the link down below, click it, enter your name, address, phone number. You may be a winner.